friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a cute stitch for beginners. So first we're going to get started with the face, and on the left hand side we're going to curve this down and in. We're going to leave a gap, lining this up at the same height on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. On the top we're going to start on the left hand side, curving this around and down for the hair. Starting back in the middle, curving this over and in. And then again, one last time, just arching this around and then through. Now on the right hand side, let's curve this down. Let's start in the center now by drawing in the nose. So we're going to curve this around and then down. And then underneath, arching this back over and through. Let's draw in the nostrils now. So we're going to arch this line over. Moving up above, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then again, just making that even smaller. Now let's draw in the rest of the eyes. So starting from the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. Ending that at the same height. And then now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this line back up and over. Now from here in the corner, we're going to curve this up and down. And then starting on the inner corner, we're going to curve this up and through. Moving in towards the top now for the highlight, let's draw in another circle. And now let's draw in our mouth. So starting on both sides, we're going to curve this line down. Closing off the mouth on the left-hand side, bringing this up and through towards the middle. We'll do the same on the right, connecting that together. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw in a small arch line that comes down on the bottom. And then in the center for the mouth, we're just going to curve this line across. Now let's draw in our ears. So on the right hand side, we're going to arch this line up. We'll do the same on the left, just ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here moving up, we're going to curve this line up and over. On the right hand side, we're going to extend this further down and in, and we're just going to make this slightly shorter on the top left. Now where there's the gap, we're just going to draw in a sideways letter V. And then from that corner, we're going to continue to bring this through and in on the side. Now on the bottom, just curving this across. And that is it. That's how you draw a stitch for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.